When homeowners in Sanford consider upgrading their windows, awning windows are often among the most versatile and practical options available. Their distinctive design, which features a top hinge and an outward opening sash, provides excellent ventilation, energy efficiency, and protection from the elements. However, to maximize these benefits, it's important to install awning windows in the right locations throughout the home. Choosing the best placement can enhance comfort, improve airflow, increase natural light, and contribute to the overall functionality of your property. Understanding where awning windows perform best can help homeowners make informed decisions when planning a renovation or window replacement project. Why awning windows are so popular? Before exploring ideal installation locations, it's helpful to understand what makes awning windows unique. Unlike sliding or double-hung windows, awning windows open outward from the bottom, creating a protective canopy-like effect. This design offers several advantages: excellent ventilation, tight weather seals when closed, improved energy efficiency, ability to remain open during light rain, easy operation with a crank mechanism. Because of these benefits, awning windows work well in areas where airflow, accessibility, and weather protection are priorities. Bathrooms. Improving ventilation and privacy. Bathrooms are among the most popular locations for awning windows. Daily activities such as showering and bathing generate moisture that can contribute to humidity, condensation, and potential mold growth if not properly ventilated. Awning windows allow fresh air to circulate while helping moisture escape. Since they can be installed higher on walls, they also provide privacy without sacrificing natural light. For Sanford homeowners looking to create a brighter and more comfortable bathroom environment, awning windows offer an ideal balance of functionality and style. Kitchens. Fresh air where it's needed. Most kitchens benefit greatly from proper ventilation. Cooking often produces heat, steam, and odors that can linger throughout the home if airflow is limited. Awning windows are frequently installed above sinks because their crank-operated design makes them easy to open and close, even when a countertop or fixture is located beneath the window. By improving air circulation, awning windows help create a more pleasant cooking environment while allowing natural light to brighten the space. Bedrooms. Enhancing comfort and airflow. Fresh air can contribute to a more comfortable sleeping environment, making bedrooms another excellent location for awning windows. When strategically positioned, awning windows can help create cross-ventilation by working together with other windows throughout the home. This natural airflow helps reduce stuffiness and promotes better indoor comfort. Many homeowners appreciate the ability to enjoy ventilation even during light rain, making awning windows a practical choice for bedrooms year-round. Basements. Increasing ventilation in lower levels. Basements can sometimes feel damp or stagnant due to limited airflow. Awning windows are often installed in basement spaces because they can fit into smaller wall openings while still providing effective ventilation. Their outward opening design helps direct fresh air into lower level rooms, improving comfort and reducing moisture buildup. For homeowners who use their basements as living spaces, home offices, gyms, or recreation rooms, awning windows can help create a healthier and more inviting atmosphere. Living rooms. Combining style and function. Awning windows can also be incorporated into living room designs, either as standalone windows or in combination with larger picture windows. When paired with fixed windows, awning windows provide ventilation without obstructing views. Homeowners can enjoy natural light and scenic outdoor views while maintaining airflow throughout the room. This combination creates a bright, open feel that enhances both comfort and visual appeal. Above larger windows, many homeowners use awning windows as accent windows installed above larger fixed or picture windows. This design strategy allows natural light to flood the space while adding ventilation capabilities. The result is an attractive architectural feature that improves airflow without sacrificing energy efficiency or aesthetics. This approach is particularly effective in rooms with high ceilings or expansive wall spaces. Home offices and workspaces. As more homeowners dedicate space to remote work or study, maintaining a comfortable indoor environment has become increasingly important. Awning windows provide fresh air circulation that can help create a more pleasant and productive workspace. Their compact design also allows flexibility in room layouts where larger windows may not be practical. Natural ventilation can help improve comfort throughout the day while reducing reliance on mechanical cooling systems during mild weather. Maximizing performance through strategic placement. The effectiveness of awning windows depends largely on their placement. Professional window specialists evaluate factors such as room usage, airflow patterns, sunlight exposure, and architectural design to determine the best locations for installation. Thoughtful placement helps homeowners maximize ventilation, improve energy efficiency, and enhance overall comfort. A smart choice for Sanford Homes awning windows offer exceptional versatility, making them suitable for a wide range of locations throughout a home. Whether installed in bathrooms, kitchens, bedrooms, basements, living rooms, or home offices, they provide valuable benefits that improve both comfort and functionality. For homeowners in Sanford, selecting the right locations for awning windows can help create brighter, more energy-efficient, and better ventilated living spaces. With professional guidance and proper installation, awning windows can become one of the most valuable upgrades to any property.